Sorry about this. I actually missed this, but apparently earlier on today, Ethermine had a issue with their share validation engine, which caused shares to be rejected for about 30 minutes from everybody that was on Ethermine. And they're definitely making it right. They're doing right by people. So they said, as compensation, we've reduced the pool fee down to 0% for 48 hours. I thought that was really cool of them because, I mean, legally, they don't have to do anything. But yeah, so and they said in addition to that, 100% of MEV rewards will be distributed to miners for the next 48 hours. Please accept our apologies for this incident and thank you for mining with us. Um, Somebody said, well, yeah. Anyway, so I thought that's cool. If you're on Ethermine, it's zero fees and 100% MEV rewards, so it may actually be a good bit more profitable, right? But right now, everything is so profitable, it's hard to know why. It's just spiking up because everything's just going crazy. Transaction fees, gas fees, just through the moon. So yeah, it's pretty cool. If you're not on Ethermine, this may sway you to come over. Maybe not. What's a percent here and there, you know? So, just a quick little update. Have a good night, guys. Peace.